In this video, I'll show you how to delete all Discord DMs at once and explain the safest ways to clear your direct messages. If you have a long DM history on Discord and want to clean things up, it's important to know what is and isn't possible with the platform. First, you should know that Discord does not currently have a built-in option to delete all direct messages at once. Messages can only be deleted manually, one by one, inside each DM conversation. To do this, open Discord on desktop or mobile, go to your direct messages, open a conversation, hover over a message, click the three dots, and select delete. This process must be repeated for every message you want to remove. If you're mainly trying to declutter your DM list, you can close direct message conversations instead of deleting every message. On desktop, right-click a DM and select Close DM. On mobile, tap and hold the conversation and choose Close. This removes the conversation from your DM list, but it does not erase the message history from Discord servers or from the other person's account. You may come across browser extensions, scripts, or third-party tools that claim to delete all Discord DMs at once. Be very cautious with these options, as using unauthorized tools can violate Discord's terms of service and may result in account suspension or a permanent ban. For account safety, manual deletion and closing DMs are the most reliable and secure methods. If you're cleaning up private conversations or managing your Discord account on public or shared Wi-Fi, keeping your connection secure matters. Using a VPN can help protect your privacy while you're online. To stay secure, try NordVPN and use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.